about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get
when it comes to a room tour, I don't like to do a room tour straight away. I like to do it at the end of our stay, so I know the pros and minuses and all the good things and all the bad things about the room itself. I feel like if you do a room tour for me, if we do a room tour straight away, because we've not stayed in the room, we're a bit unsure about all the good stuff and all the bad stuff. First thing, when you're in the room, you need to put your key card in the slot here. If you don't, the lights all turn off. Back of the door, you've got all your fire details. Is our room. This is an inside cabin. And we're on deck 12. So this is the cheapest cabins you can get. So we're happy with the room. We thought it was big enough. Of course we'd like a balcony, but I think it was an extra £400 each for a balcony. We couldn't justify it because we're only getting changed in here and sleeping, that's it. So that's the room. Okay, so starting off here, you've got your you've got your kettle with English plugs. Here you've got your cups and saucers, your glasses, and in here you've got selections of teas and biscuits. So Tetley tea or Tetley. You've got your sugars, white sugar, brown sugar, and you've got your coffee as well. So I think that's stocked up every day. We don't drink tea and coffee in the room. You've got milk as well, so that's there. You've got a couple of shelves to put what there you want. We've actually been putting glasses and things up here. I've got your chair as well. You've got a cupboard here with 2 shelves total, and you have an hairdryer, which is a decent hairdryer. Gemma says it's the best one she's had so far. So English plug on it, so it just logs into that. So it just plugs into here. You've got 2 English plugs, and you've got European. It just like so. You've got lights there. You've got a bin in the corner, and then you've got 2 little side cabinets as well. These don't have any drawers in the cabinets, which that's one of my minuses. I like to have drawers, and they don't have them. So when you're putting stuff on here as well, just check behind, because sometimes if things fall off and go to the back. Again, by your bed, got light switches. Again, they control all the lights in the room. And then you've got these little lamps here, a reading light. So you just buttons here. Okay, and another good thing by the bed, you have a USB plug. You see it? Just there. So a USB charger. So you can have your phones by the side of your bed, which is great. And the other side is identical. So there's your little units. And same thing, same principle. It's for the light. But Gemma, she's got a plug by the side of hers. So if you want to plug anything there, you could do. My side of the bed doesn't have one of those. So that's the bed. Another minus for us is the bed. It's the firmest one we've had. We've got an orthopedic bed, as I'd say is about 9 or 10 in firmness. This is probably 6, I would say. We've slept, but we prefer a firmer bed, but that's purely subjective. You've got your 2 pillars each. The bed as well. Let me just show you underneath. We've put our cases underneath here. Plenty of storage underneath there for your big bulky cases. We've had no problem whatsoever. See, fitting our cases underneath there. So you don't have to put in the wardrobe, you just fit under the bed. On this side, you've got your flat screen TV and your mobile. So on the flat screen TV you have a lot of information, all your English stations, your bridge view, and then in the room you've got your app, you've got my holiday, TV and radio, videos on demand, entertainment, dining, drinks, your ship, explore, and then up here at the top you can check your account, so how much you're spending on the ship each day, ship maps, it tells you where you are, local weather, all the information is there for it. They have hundreds and hundreds of movies on demand, so many, so you've got so many choices. So if I just show you, so it's all the information, action, comedy, all completely and utterly free. We've not watched any movie at all, but everything's there for you. You've got loads and loads of choice. TV and radio, we tend to just have this one on all the time. Camera at the front of the ship. So in here, again, you've got 2 shelves, and in this cupboard you have your fridge. So we've got some bottles of water in there. So we've just got these behind the bar. You don't get any water in your room. You don't get any drinks in your room. That's your fridge. It's big enough. We've had the champagne in there as well, and you have a phone as well. So that is that. But you've got storage on there as well. Moving forward, you've got some coat hooks. So there's 4 coat hooks there. We've got our jackets hanged up at the moment. You've got your aircon, so you can adjust it to how you want. We like it very cold. Well, I do. So that's that. In the wardrobe, you've got your life jackets, extra things for the beds, and you've got plenty of coat hooks. It's the ones that come. So we've got plenty of coat hooks, and we've got some stuff still stored down there at the moment. So big enough wardrobe, plenty of space. And then you've got a big mirror there, and in here as well you've got your safe there. You've got more shelves, so all the way down to the bottom. So you've got plenty of storage, lots and lots of storage space. Okay. Plus you've got your mirror there as well. You've got some more mirrors at the back of the wall, and the bathroom. It's not the biggest of bathrooms, but more than enough space for me and Gemma. Again, you can't fit 2 of you in here, one at a time. So that is your bathroom. So in the bathroom you've got some shelves here to put your toiletries. You've got some tissues. You've got hand soap, so they use the White Company. You've got 2 cup holders, putting your toothbrushes in. Then underneath you've got a shelf. They always stack extra toilet rolls in there for you. You've got another shelf there. Underneath here you've got other things, putting your sanitary towels in, things you shouldn't be putting down the toilet. You've got another shelf there, and you've got your little bin in the corner there. And these where, of course, all your towels go. So you get 2 large towels, and you get 4 small hand towels. They'll change your towels every day. Just change your towels. If you want fresh ones, you put it on the floor, and they'll change it for you. Sink, standard, hot and cold. Plenty of water comes out. You plug it back, so you move this up and down to hold the water or release the water. Shower's pretty standard. You've got a hook line there, goes all the way across. So if you want to hang your clothes, and that goes in there. Your shower, and you've got 2 shelves as well, 2 again putting your shampoos, and you've got shampoo, White Company, and you've got body wash as well. So I've just been using these. We didn't bring any of our own. Water pressure, hot and cold. The water pressure is alright, it's not amazing, it's but it does the job. So there's your shower. So nice and big. So there you go, that is the complete room tour. for you. I think I've got everything there. So again, your light switch for your bathroom is there. There you go, so it's always on. That's the complete room, so very happy with the room. Yeah, we would definitely stay here, and I need to check which room we're in because I keep on forgetting. We are in, just check, 12462, so deck 12 462, and that's a complete room tour. So I hope I've managed to capture everything for you. Plenty of light in here. Oh, and another thing that you might not know is that the walls are magnetic, so we've got some magnetic hooks we got from Amazon, and we just stick those on there like here. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed the room tour. I'm going to go for a coffee now because I need one. I need to wake it up, and then breakfast, and then we'll be leaving the ship shortly. So I'll speak to you in a bit. Bye.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see